Hello, I am Todd Cotta, owner of the King's Gun Center in Hanford, California. I'm here with Vanessa, one of my sales associates, and we're here to talk about a very unique class of gun, the Micro 380 guns. We brought three here today. Number one being the Ruger LCP. Number two, the 6-hour P238. And which one do you have there?
And I have the brand new Glock 42.
Okay, these guns are all about the same size, but there's some big differences in these guns. This, the Ruger LCP, is a hammer fire, double action only gun. The 6-hour P238 is the mini 1911, has a lot of the same features as a 1911, including it is a single action only gun. And what do you have there?
And I have the Glock 42, and it is a striker fire, just a miniature version of the Glock.
Well, if we're going to learn more about these, we probably should go shoot them. What do you think?
I think so. Let's go. First, we're going to try the Glock 42. So now we're going to shoot the SIG P238. Now we're going to shoot the Ruger LCP 380.
We're going to do it the same order. First is the Glock 42, the little baby Glock 380. Oh wow. I love the way this little guy performs. Finally, the Ruger LCP. The one that started it all. The one that got this whole mini tiny gun thing started is this little baby Ruger LCP. Let's see how this one goes. Something's going on with this one now. This right here is my Glock 42, 5 yards. This right here, that's that little P238 SIG, touching the rounds together at the exact same distance. And over here is the LCP with 2 jams. So I touched and I touched, I threw a couple rounds out a little bit. That gun is so small in my hand, I just wasn't comfortable shooting it. And the trigger reset is so long. And It's just, you can tell this is the oldest gun in the bunch. Now Ruger did improve their LC9 series to be a striker fire. I'm not in any information, but just know that there probably is a striker fire 380 coming if Ruger keeps this trend up with changing their LC9 series over to striker. I wouldn't doubt if at SHOT Show this year we see a striker fire LCP also. So there it is. We've shot all three of those: the Ruger LCP, the 6-hour P238, and the Glock 42. Rank them. What do you think?
For me, it would be the Glock 42, then the 6-hour P238, and then the Ruger.
Yep. Mine's a little different than yours. Although I got a chance to shoot that Glock 42 a few times, it's the first time I've ever shot a P238. Ever. The recoil was low, the trigger pull was almost not there. I would have to go SIG P238, Glock 42, and then a far third would be that LCP. Now that is the oldest gun in the fleet, I understand that. But that long trigger pull is just difficult to keep a good, solid pattern when you're out there shooting.
It is. It takes a little while to pull it back, and you think it resets and it doesn't, so go farther and then pull back again.
But I would, either of those guns are all great guns, but that micro gun market is getting so hot these days that you got to come out with something better, something that nobody else has. SIG has done it for me with that little micro 1911 with the recoil and the trigger pull, and then the accuracy is fantastic. For you?
Nice gun. It was a Glock 42. I liked the recoil, and obviously my accuracy wasn't the best, but I'll work on it.
Yeah, we're all learning here, aren't we, today?
Yes.
Vanessa, thank you for joining us today here at King's Gun Center TV, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.